Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Abhinav, and in this video today we'll be seeing about the expected topics for NEET PG 2022. That is, especially we'll be seeing about the surgery topics. So I went through the last 3 to 4 years question paper of NEET PG and came out with a list of topics which could be expected in the upcoming exam NEET PG 2022. So this doesn't mean that you should avoid other topics. So what I'm coming to say is that you should not miss these topics. So you must give some extra care to these special topics that I'll be mentioning today. So I've also mentioned the expected marks or the marks usually asked in each section of surgery. So I'll also be telling about that in this video. So let's start. So usually if you see in the general surgery module, 6 to 7 questions are usually asked from this module. And the question expected in this year's, in the upcoming NEET PG 2022 exam are surgical energy sources. So you should be learning about the cauteries, the monopolar, bipolar cauteries, and also the newer methods. So, and also you'll have to learn about the surgical trains, the JP train and all those trains. So complications of TPN, total parenteral nutrition, and surgical instruments. Mainly, we are expecting that they could ask about the biopsy instruments this time. So if you see the GIT module, so usually 8 to 10 questions are asked from the GIT module and it has the highest weightage in surgery. So usually the regular questions that are being asked are mostly from the X-ray views, the surgeries done, those kind of things. Apart from learning those things, you should also give special attention to these topics because these are expected to be seen in the upcoming paper. So you should know about the chroma endoscopy, the newer techniques, the GE junction tumors. You should know what is feline esophagus. You should know about Menetrier disease and its management, vagotomy, surgical vagotomy, and gastrectomy complications. And you should learn about the gastric lymphoma and superior mesenteric artery syndrome, fecal fistulas. GIT Part 2, you should also learn about the short bowel syndrome and HNPCC colon cancers, hydrated liver disease management, Kasabach-Merritt syndrome, common bile duct stone management options. So you should learn about the protocol, how to manage and what type of situations. And you should also learn about the acute pancreatitis, especially the scoring systems, the newest scoring system apart from the ransom scoring. So you should also know about how to manage a gunshot wound. So we are expecting to get a case based on the gunshot wound in the upcoming exam. So let's see. So then the next topic is urology. Usually 3 to 5 questions are asked from this topic. So we should know about the staging of testicular tumors because we should know that testicular tumor staging is different compared to other staging because this not only includes TNM staging, it also includes other markers in it. So we should know about it. Should also know about the penile cancers, the treatment options, managing vesicouterine reflex. You should know about the bladder stones and how to treat them, and renal oncocytoma. This is a very important topic. You should know about the histopathological findings, and you should also know about the Hunner's ulcers seen in bladder and TURP syndrome. You should also know about the other TURP complications, that is transurethral dissection of prostate. Then in trauma section, if you see 4 to 6 questions are asked generally. So you should know about the advanced trauma life support and abdominal compartment syndrome, how to treat that, chest tubes, mainly the practical parts. So how will you insert, where you will insert, and the triangle of safety, all those things. Nice guidelines for head injury, new guidelines. So you should know about this. So trench foot, IVC filters, indications for IVC filters, and you should also know about the AV fistulas, and you should also know about the fistula that is usually made for dialysis, those kind of things. Complications of neck dissection. In endocrine section, usually 2 to 3 questions are asked, and mostly they will be from the thyroid only. So thyroid surgery complications, thyroid storm management, calciphylaxis. This is expected calciphylaxis, pseudohyperparathyroidism, and MEN syndrome. So know about the men's syndrome classification. This is been asked since very long time. Investigations in pheochromocytoma. So about the metastasis, the management, investigations, all those things. In the breast module, usually 4 to 6 questions are asked. The important thing expected this time is molecular classification of breast cancers. To know about the HER2, new, BRPR positive, those kind of things. Hormonal therapy in breast cancer, trastuzumab, tamoxifen, indications of using MRI in breast imaging, and new updates in breast cancer staging, which is very much expected to be asked in this year. Miscellaneous topics, usually 4 to 5 questions are asked. Sleeve gastrectomy complications, note procedure, uh, how to, what are the nose procedure available, cleft lip and palate. So at what age will you do the surgery? Anoic earring malformations, type 1, type 2, and CNS lymphomas. So these are some of the topics that are highly expected in upcoming NEET exam. This is only for the surgery topics. So if you want to know about other subject topics also, please do comment. I'll make a video on it. So that was for the surgery. Keep preparing hard. So let's see you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.